Question yethu yokuqala kuthiwa masibonakale isiba g of x is equal to minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now amagama sofuna sifumane equation kabani yala function u-g of x. Now into emnandi apha is that sinikiwe coordinates at turning point, sinazo ne-coordinates apha ze point ze-y intercept or another point kwephi kule graph yethu g of x. So sebenzisa le equation ethi y equals a, it's x minus b squared plus oq, where OB x value and ye turning point yethu, oq y value and yala turning point, and then sofuna sifumane a. So y equals, question yethu yokuqala a askamazi x minus up wethu ila x value turning point, so it's minus 2 squared, uq wethu ila y value turning point, so it's a positive 9. Then says bangabas no a equals x minus 2 squared. Okay, x minus 2 squared masinganqami ngo-expander. Now masifumane a, kuze sifumane a, so thatha 1 point kwi-equation yethu, sithathe x value yayo, so substitute apha, sithathe y value siyifake endaweni ka-y, then olo hlobo sifumane i-value kabani ka-a. So i-y value yethu ngu-5, i-x value yethu ngubani ngu-0 squared plus 9. Then apha sinabani sino negative 2 squared is a positive 4a plus 9, thatha 9 simse ngapha, it's going to be a negative 4a ngapha, divided both sides ngo-4. Okay, therefore a wethu ngubani ku negative 1. So equation yethu ngubani ku y equals a minus 1 x minus 2 squared plus 9. So expander yonke landelayo iza kunibani x squared plus 4 x plus 5. Okay, must improve. So it's a negative bracket lena izaba ngu x squared minus 4x plus 4, so it's a negative x squared plus 4x minus 4 plus 9. So this is minus x squared plus 4x. Up until the expanded bracket x minus 2 times x minus 2 and multiply x no x. Yonke landelia that landelisa multiply in negative yam throughout la bracket, then safumana pa say plus la 9. So it's 4x, it's 9 minus 4 1, it's a positive 5. It's the same thing as that g of x. So g of x wethu ngubani ku minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now tufuna average gradient between a no c. Gradient yethu sifumana njani? Gradient sithi y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now in Dosayenza we have to go and choose point number 1 either simenze uc, point number 2 simenze a, which means that x coordinate apha ku ngubani ngu x1, i-y coordinate apha ku ngubani ngu y1. Nalapha ku a njengoba simenze point 2, u-x2 wethu ngu-0, u-y2 wethu ngubani ngu-5. So y2 wethu ngu-5, u-y1 wethu ngubani ngu-9 divided by u-x2 wethu ngu-0, u-x1 wethu ngu-2, so it's a negative 2. This equals to 5 minus 9 ngubani ku negative 4 divided by minus 2. This is equal to 2. So average gradient between a no ngubani ngu-2. Question yethu started by it must calculate a length ka BD. BD, that is usuka apho yojupa kuti. This is a length along and only x axis. So if sinofumana la length from OO la sender yethu to OB, sibinde sidibanise ne length from OO uyojupi paku D. Alright, so sayazi ba OB okokuqala a x intercept la graph ubani f, la graph yethu f, masifumane la x value leyana pha yala x intercept. So what's this la value x value? So f of x so means a 0. That's no half x squared. Sorry, it's a half x squared minus 8. Y means 0 because of an x intercepts. Okay, so see multiply it throughout ngabani ngo-2, so ndono x squared minus 16 equals 1 or 0. So x form upper is our factorizer le expression. That's why it's a difference of 2 squares. So x plus 4 nabani no x minus 4. This is equal to 0. So x one our paku b kubani ku minus 4. Okay, so has a new solution up with more x equals 4. But so has the x value up equals bar positive. So the x value up ku minus 4. So which means that the distance from O uyochoku b is 4 units. so OB yena sasimazi ngubani, it's 4 units. Now funa sifumane bani OD. OD i-x-intercept yayo phayana, that because sifuna la difference, sorry, that distance from O uyotsho ku-D i-x value yaphi pha ku-D. So if sifuna la x value pha singa-sorted i-x value yabani yala graph bani UG. So la graph yethu UG besanda ifumana kuthiwa minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now we equate it to 0 because sifuna i-x-intercept plus 4x plus 5. And then this is x squared, must multiply throughout ngala negative x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Factorize it, it's x minus 5 x plus 1 equals 0. X1 equals 5. Ila value exactly yaphi phakudi la x value yakudi, and then must any solution biza ngubani ku minus 1 biza by la x value yaphayana. Okay, but besifuna le value. So suka ku O uyotsho ku D, it's 5 units. So OD yena, OD is 5 units. 5 units. Now from B, BO plus OD ngubani go BD. So BD wethu ngubani go 4 units plus la 5 units, which is 9 units. So the distance here to OBD is 9 units. So question wethu number 4.1 uthi must use the graphs to solve for x if f of x is greater than 0. Now if you look understand this la meaning yala inequality, because f of x plus 0 means that y values ufuna x values for which la graph ka f inteni above and on the x axis, that is above the line. That is if values ka x for which la graph ka f in a y values as injani as a positive. That's the meaning ka f of x greater than 0. F of x means y values. So y values for which is 10 is greater than or equal to 0. Iqala phi londo leyo, iqala apha ubheka phi ubheka phayana, no usuka phi usuke lapha ubheka phi ubheka ngaphayana. Y values are equal to and greater than 0. Equal to greater than 0. Yenzeka phi londo leyo for la x value yaphayana plus neza x values ubheka ngapha. Besifumene mos la x value bangubani ngu minus 4. So for x lesser than and equal to minus 4, the graph equals to 0 y value, and for y values is lesser than minus 4, the y values injani is greater than 0. And also nangapha yakla x value ngubani ingu 4, y value yam ngubani ngu 0 pha ku 4, and then for y values is greater than 4, ubheka ngapha le graph yam injani y values is injani is greater than 0, and also for y values as for x equals to or greater than 4, the graph will be 0 and greater than 0. So I hope to get this clear. And then 4.2 yena uthi f and b f and g are both increasing. F and g are both increasing. So sifuna f igraph ka f ne graph ka g increase ku interval e1 or for x values ezitheni ezifanayo. Alright, if you understand it oba uyibona njani i-parabole or i-graph ka increaser. Okay, so basically says by i-straight line xa sijonge kulena direction injani i-gradient yaso i-positive. I-straight line xa sijonge ngapha sitheni siya increaser. I-line xa sijonge ngapha xa ijonge ngapha itheni iya decreaser. I-gradient i-positive, i-gradient xa ijonge ngapha i-line i-negative. So into sijongayo apha i-parabole inamacala amabini mos. Leli cala ngapha neli ngapha nalena leli cala ngapha neli ngapha. So for el cala i-gradient injani i-positive, but for ela cala kule graph i-green i-gradient injani i-negative. So iya decreaser ngapha i-graph yam, ngapha kweli cala itheni iya increaser. Same thing here, lena iya decreaser, but usukela pha kwi-turning point ubheka ngapha itheni iya increase i-graph yam. Okay, but sifuna i-increases graph so i-2 for i-interval a1. So usukela apha ku kule point kule line y axis ubheka ngapha uyotsho pha kula turning point, le graph lena i-green injani iya increase, right? And even usuka apha same line, for the same line le graph itheni iya increase uyotsho pha kula turning point la x value ban o2 is still increasing nayo, although lena iqhubekeka increase. So from here to there lena increase, good enough. and then nalena from same point yochopha ku-2 iya-increase nayo, although lena itheni isaqhubeka ku-increase, but sifuna zi-increase zoyi-2 kwintoni kwi-region eyi-1. So lo region ngubani? Usukela ku-0 yotsho bani? Yotsho ku-positive 2 i-x value. Ezi grafu zoyi-2 ziya-increase, ayikho etheni edecreasayo, zi-increase zoyi-2. Okay, and that's it. Will a question lwahlobo.
It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing.